Hey guys, what's up? It's Dan again from CryptoCamacho.com. And hey guys, today I want to revisit something that I posted several months back, and it was very, very popular. It was around sentiment analysis and using social media tools to do sentiment analysis around cryptocurrency and the popularity of cryptocurrency, the adoption of cryptocurrency, and how that impacts the price of a cryptocurrency going up in value or going down in value on the markets, right? And so today I want to actually revisit that concept. But first, if you guys haven't seen the previous video that I'm talking about, if you just go to my YouTube channel, go to Crypto Camacho on YouTube, and go down to how to find the best ICOs, how to flawlessly predict winning ICOs, never lose on an ICO investment again. Watch that video because I think it'll be really informative on what I'm about to show you because I've built this tool that I want you guys to be aware of that will help you predict the price movements of different cryptocurrencies, right? And let me show you what I'm talking about. So in the previous video, what I was doing is I was using social sentiment analysis from a tool called Social Mention, socialmention.com. I was going to CoinGecko and I was looking at the ICO information right here, and then I was taking the names of different ICOs that were about to launch and I was plugging them into the Social Mention social sentiment analysis engine. And let me just show you real quick what that looks like, right? So if I look at, let's say, Doc Taylor, right? This is an ICO that's going to be launching in 1 day, it looks like, right? So if I go back to Social Mention and I type Doc Taylor and I search for Doc Taylor, you're going to see what Social Mention comes up with, right? So they come up with a passion score, a strength score, a sentiment score, and a reach score, among other things, right? They come up with what's the total positive, neutral, negative sentiment. They come up with, you know, when was the last mention about that particular keyword or ICO, and then you look down and you can see where the actual mentions came from on social media and whatnot about that particular ICO, right? So the higher the positive sentiment is, the better it looks for this particular ICO. The higher the passion, the reach, the overall strength, the higher the likelihood that this particular ICO is known in the public sphere, right? Is known on social media, is known on the internet, and this is an indication of how popular that particular cryptocurrency is, right? And this is really important because today ICOs, cryptocurrencies, they're very, very new, very new market, cryptocurrency in general. People are trying to find out what cryptocurrencies are going to go up in value so that they can make a bunch of money. And what do when they go and search? They look for what people have posted on social media about that particular cryptocurrency or ICO in this case, right? And so the higher these numbers, the more it tells you that that ICO is popular or at least being talked about in social media and on the internet in general, right? And if you see many high positive sentiment mentions, then you know that it's being talked about positively and it's potentially being hyped up so that you can trade it and make money on the cryptocurrency markets when you go and trade, right? So that's how I've been using Social Mention to date, but I wanted to show you, so before I've been using it to track ICOs, but today I want to unveil a tool to you guys that basically takes the information from Social Mention here and then converts it into a table so that you can stack rank what different cryptocurrencies have higher or lower mentions and higher or lower positive and negative sentiment, right? So let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. If you go over to CryptoCamacho.com/sentiment, that's CryptoCamacho.com/sentiment, you're going to see this page, right? And so this is the tool that I have built, guys. All right. So first, up here, this is going to update every single day, and it's going to tell you, you know, how many mentions we're seeing on Bitcoin in the last 30 days. And let me show you why that's important here. So going over here, let's go to BTC. Actually, let's go to USD, BTC. Okay, so you see Bitcoin right here, and let's just look at the chart hourly. So yeah, let's just look at it for like the last 30 days here, and you can kind of see what's been happening, right? So the Bitcoin price started going down on March 24th, and it's going down, right? So on March 24th, what did the sentiment actually look like on March 24th? So if you go to March 24th, the number of mentions, look, they've been decreasing a few days prior to March 24th. You can see the mentions have been decreasing, which you can say, you know, it actually indicated that there would be a drop in price, right? Because the 24th was right here. Let me get a pen here. 24th right here, that's when the price started going down. but the mentions happened all the way, they started really right here, and you can see there's kind of a down tick right here. And so if you go and you just look at this, you can see that the mentions are going down. Now what happened on, between March 29th and March 30th? The number of mentions went completely down. Today's March 30th, so the mentions will probably go back up in general. But overall, the mentions have been going down, and look at Bitcoin's chart. I mean, it's been going completely down in the last few days, right? So that's one piece of this tool. The next piece is, here's the information that I am pulling from Social Mention, and I'm looking at all cryptocurrencies under $1 in this case, right? And I'm pulling in the strength, the passion, the reach, the positive sentiment, and the negative sentiment, all pulled in from Social Mention right here, right? So I'm pulling it into these charts, and then I'm able to sort on the different attributes or the different dimensions of that particular cryptocurrency, right? So let's just say I want to know who has the highest positive sentiment, right? It looks like there's a coin, it's called Aware, or a token called Aware, and it has the highest positive sentiment, right? So let's go back over here. Well, there's nothing really on Aware, so maybe it's an ICO, maybe it's something that hasn't been hit on the exchanges. Let's try Campus Coin. That's another really high one, right? So Campus Coin, oops, sorry, I'll probably have to search the ticker here. So Campus Coin, what's the ticker on Campus Coin? CMPCO. Wow, and it just went up 54%. That's crazy. I didn't even know that. Okay, so this is insane. Okay, so CMPCO, let's just see, CMPCO. It's on Cryptopia, it looks like, right here. And this is crazy, all right? So look at the recent trend right here of this coin, right? Campus Coin. I didn't even know about Campus Coin before making this video at all. I did look through my social sentiment data, but I didn't look hard enough, and I didn't realize this, because look, in the last day or so, it's gone up tremendously. I mean, it's gone up from, it's gone up almost like 90, it's gone up like 85% since in the last 2 days, right? And if I would have been looking at my social sentiment chart right here, look at the indicators. I mean, the positive sentiment is through the roof compared to all the other coins, right? The strength, the passion, and the reach are all relatively high, right? And if you sort by strength, there's going to be other tokens that are higher in strength. But if you look cumulatively, when I search by positive sentiment here, cumulatively, the Campus Coin 49, 22, and 43 is a very, very good score. Let's also look at Aware, right? Aware coin, let's see, negative 11%. So AWR didn't look like didn't pan out so well for this coin, and it must be on, I don't know what exchange it's on, but let's just look at Coin Market Cap and look at Aware. So it doesn't always work, but it does at times definitely give you a good indication of what coins are trading and which coins will be going up in value, right? So if I look at like the 7-day chart on Aware, I'm not sure how good Aware has been performing. Doesn't look like it's been doing that great, but there was a big spike right here, which could be, and that was on the 28th, right? So that's why the score here could be so high. This data is potentially a little bit, I got to update it today. Maybe it's from yesterday, so that's why you're seeing the data. But anyway, okay, so it's taking all the cryptocurrencies under $1 and it's plugging in the Social Mention data so that you can sift on what coins have positive and negative sentiment, right? So that's one aspect of this chart here, right? Okay, and if you keep scrolling down, keep going down, there's another chart right here which looks at the same thing, cryptocurrencies under $1, and it's looking at the total number of retweets and the total number of publishers for that particular term, or who's talking about that particular cryptocurrency under $1, right? So in this case, Utrust had the most retweets on this time period, among all the other cryptocurrencies under $1, right? And then you go down the list and you could see some of the others, right? So I'm really curious. Campus Coin, again, look, Campus Coin pops up. Very high on the radar. The number of publishers is decent, right? But if you look at the social sentiment data, it's high as well. So that was an indication that there is value in this data. So guys, I just released this, literally just launched this today. I'm very curious to know what you guys think about it. If you find it useful, let me know how you use it. I'm gonna potentially add to this, but I do have to pay some money to keep this going. But I'd like to build it out to add more and more data, more and more pages, more and more insights to give you guys. But let me know if you think it's valuable. Let me know if this is something that you would use. And depending on the number of people that actually go to this and use this, I will either beef it up and make make more data available to you, or I will scale it back. So just let me know what you think. If you guys want, you could sign up right here to alerts to get trading opportunities whenever I am about to make a trade, or whenever I think there's a good trade to be made. I will alert you in a number of different ways, whether that's on Twitter, email, YouTube, whatever. Email, if you want, sign up right here to get the email updates directly to your inbox. You click on here, you join the community of over 10,000 people. You can sign up and I'll give you daily alerts on sometimes daily, sometimes weekly. It depends really on what's going on and what's going on with me. But I'll give you alerts on different indicators that I find of different coins that may be hot to trade. So guys, let me know what you think about this. I'm very excited. Again, it's cryptocamacho.com/sentiment. I'd love to know your thoughts on this. I'm Dan, again, from cryptocamacho.com. And if you haven't already subscribed to this YouTube channel, please click on the link right below that little red button. And I will see you next time, guys. Love to know your thoughts on this new tool that I built. Thanks.